Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so it is finally Ipsy July choice time. Now I do have the choice spoilers for the standard, plus, and the ultimate bags. So if you've already chosen, if you don't like to choose and you just like to be surprised, these are the items you might get. And if you did choose, let us know what you chose down in the comments. So if you're excited about this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also, hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing a couple of spoilers for the BoxyCharm Charm Room and also the choice and add-ons August dates. Thank you so much, Allison. Allie says, first, love you, Mandy. Aw, Allie, you are so sweet, honey. Thank you so much. I love you too, girl. And I really appreciate you having your bell on. You are really fast. And thank you so much for coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments to pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Now, before we dive into this madness, guys, I'm going to put a timer up here for 5 seconds, and you will also see a little red heart. If you are new and you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It will turn this little red heart right here blue for about a half a second and also give you good luck for the rest of your life. So go ahead and get that done now. And welcome to the family. Now let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So first, let's go ahead and start with the July standard bag. First of all, here's the bag. Y'all know my opinion on it, y'all. They need to hire me down there at the Ipsy. I would make some bomb bags. I'm telling you, I'd make them over the top. Now let's go ahead and look at the choice items that they have. And again, a lot of people already know what they're getting. So if you would comment below, what did you choose? If you haven't chosen and you'd just like to be surprised, which one of these are you hoping that you will get? And again, there's always so many of them. This ain't full spoilers, but there's always quite a few of these to name off. So I don't even name them off. I just put them up here. Now let's go ahead and put up the plus bag. Again, guys, I ain't even saying that. I mean, it's cute to hide up underneath your bathroom cabinet. That's all I'm going to say. Now let's go ahead and look at the choice items for plus. Again, if you get the plus bag, what did you pick? Or what are you hoping that you're going to get?
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
And now let's go ahead and pull up the last bag, which is the ultimate bag. Again, pretty cute bag to hide up underneath your bathroom counter. And now let's go ahead and look at the choice items for ultimate. And again, if you get the ultimate bag, which one of these items did you choose? Or which one of these items are you hoping that you'll get in your bag?
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
And guys, that is it. Again, choice was open today, so make sure if you didn't choose yet, go ahead and look up your Ipsy account and see if you still have that option. And tell me what you think about these items down in the comments. Again, which one did you pick? Or if you don't like to pick and just like to be surprised, which one are you hoping for? And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know, I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Aries Girl. Aries Girl says, thank you so much. Well, Aries Girl, honey, you are more than welcome. I'm also an Aries Girl and also a Taurus in some. I don't know how that happens. My birthday is April 20th, so it's like right at the end of Aries, and some of them I'm right on the beginning of Taurus. But I just had to pick your comment, honey. Thank you so much for coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you still subscribe to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yep, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because the thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.